पापा को फोन करा रहा है। अभी मतलब और शायद वो
मैं इतने में आपकी वाले टॉपिक चले उसकी अदर दिन कम कर सकते मोबाइल चाहिए नहीं बाकी इमरजेंसी
ये वाला शो
टाइम ले लीजिए ये 40 मिनट बाद अपने आप करना चाहिए
कैंडल चले
चैनल है क्या
कैंडल तो बड़े बड़े बड़ी कैंडल तो 15 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगी।
Namaste to all. So, इधर हम लोग आज 6th इंटरनेशनल योगा डे सेलिब्रेशन के लिए आए हैं। अपने साथ वेलकम टू डायरेक्टर मैम, प्रिंसिपल मैम एंड ऑल टीचर्स और सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते, जो सब छोटे बच्चे भी जो लाइव हमारे साथ ज्वाइन हुए हैं आज, तो सबके 6th इंटरनेशनल योगा डे की बधाई। ओके, नाउ क्रॉस लेग पोजीशन, लेट्स स्टार्ट today's session. Sit in a comfortable posture, both hands chin mudra, first finger and thumb tightly press on your knees, spine straight, shoulder straight, face straight, eyes gently closed. Inhale, exhale. Focus on your breath. Deep inhale. Focus on your feet. Please relax. Feel your position. Your hip rounded. Leg relax. Abdomen relax. Hip relax. Back relax. Shoulder relax. Face relax. Mind relax. Whole body relax. Now deep inhale and one Omkar chanting. Om. गणपति स्तुति। ओम गजाननं भूतगणादि सेवितं कपितजम्बूफलसारो भक्षितम् उमासुता शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरा पातु पंकजम्। ओम। स्टार्ट विथ कपालभाति प्राणायाम। इनहेल करेंगे विथ काउंटिंग 4 एंड एक्सहेल करेंगे काउंट 6। इनहेल 1 2 3 4, exhale 1 2 3 4 5 6। inhale 1 2 3 4, exhale 1 2 3 4 5 6। हल्का सा इनहेल लेके स्टार्ट करेंगे। इनहेल 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2। exhale, inhale 1 2 3 4, exhale 1 2 3 4 5 6। half inhale, hold your breath, Exhale, relax. Next is Anulom Vilom. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. First two finger, hold. Right thumb on your right nostril. Inhale from left. Eyes gently closed. Shoulder relax, elbow down. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Exhale from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Exhale from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Exhale from right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Exhale from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Next pranayama is Bhramari. Inhale करना है both nostril से. Ear lock. जो लोग स्पेक्स पहने हुए हैं वो सिर्फ ईयर बंद कर सकते हैं. जो विदाउट स्पेक्स हैं वो कंप्लीट क्लोज कर सकते हैं. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ear lock. Exhale with the sound through nose. One more. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Relax. Next is Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam with 3 bandhas. 3 bandhas yani Mool Bandh, Udyana Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. Okay, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath, chin and chest touch, stomach in and a stop. Slowly head up, exhale from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath, chin and chest touch, stomach in, hip muscles tight and a stop. Slowly head up, exhale from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Relax yourself. Next, shoulder up and shoulder down. Okay, inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Last, inhale, exhale. Relax. Now, simple stretching exercise. Inhale, raise your arms up. Arms straight, palm facing each other, fingers widely open. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Right hand on your left knee, left hand back. And see your left shoulder. Spine should be straight with upper arm. Deep breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, left hand on your right knee, right hand back. See your right shoulder. Spine is straight. Inhale and exhale, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, forward bending. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend forward slowly. First abdomen down. Fingers on the floor. Then chin, your forehead on the floor. Hip on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slightly, still slowly scroll your fingers. Then up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, hip up, head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slowly come back. Now leg straight. Wipe your feet. Knees alternate up and down. Inhale and exhale. Relax yourself. Now forearms on the floor. Inhale, both leg up 45 degrees. Then fold, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Lie down on your back. Feet straight. Matsyasana. Toe press inside. Both arms under your body. Elbows stuck under. Palm downward. Toe press inside. Deep inhale. Chest up. Head hanging position. Passively touch on the floor. Deep inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. See your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. One more. Inhale. Chest up. Head hanging position. Deep breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Face up. See your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lie down. Relax. Hold your leg. Shoulder line gap between your feet. And catch your ankle 5 times. Inhale, hip up. Okay, inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Inhale, hip up, exhale, down. Inhale, hip up. Stay in this position. Push your hip up as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Fold your leg. Hug your knees. Pavanmuktasana. Inhale. Chest up. Press your thighs towards your chest. Exhale. Chin and knee touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly head down. Okay, inhale up and exhale, lie down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale as much as you can. Keep up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sit down. Good. एकदम एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ गया है ना? Now catch your right sole. Right sole. Inhale, leg up. एकदम डीप इनहेल के साथ लेग अप करेंगे, नी स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा. Exhale, right hand back. Both thumb in one line. See your right hand finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Change your arm. Exhale, left hand back. See your left hand finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, leg down. Very nice. Now catch your left leg. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left hand back. Both hand in one line. See your left hand finger. Deep breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, right hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Leg down. Hold your leg. Stand on your knee. Between your knee, shoulder line gap. Between your feet, shoulder line gap. Inhale, right leg forward. Yes, it should be 90 degree, okay? Inhale, raise your arms up. Arch back. Pelvic press towards the floor as much as you can. Deep breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Palms on the floor, left side. Right leg, right side. Both palms, left side. Lizard pose. Inhale. Exhale. Forehead on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Up. Now right leg back. Straight. Left leg forward. Inhale. Raise your arms up. Arch back. Pelvic press towards the floor as much as you can. Stretch your spine upward. Deep inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Both palm right side on the floor. Left leg left side. Deep inhale. Exhale. Forehead on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale. Left leg back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now both palms on the floor and come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Knees up. Inverted V shape. Press your head down as much as you can. Adjust your feet. Adjust your palm. Inhale, both feet up and down 10 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stay. High plank position, body forward, heels up. Facing front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Ashtanga. Feet relaxed. Deep breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide your body forward, arch back, cobra pose. Upper arm should be touched with your body. Do correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both feet on your toe, knees up, hip up, Adho Mukh Svanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, heels up, knee down, chest down, chin down. Feet relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, slide your body forward, arch back as much as you can. Feet together. पीछे से पैर मिले हुए. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both feet on your toe. Hip up inverted V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk forward on your toe. Now both feet together, palm and feet in one line. Press your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chair pose, knee bend, arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, right side, swipe your arm. Inhale, center, exhale. Inhale, center, exhale, right, left, right, left, right, left. Stay. Both palms together in front. Exhale. Left elbow, right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale. Right elbow, left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight. Knee straight. Arms down, exhale. Relax yourself. Take a few breaths. Samasthini. Palms open. Deep breathe in and out. Deep breathe in and out. Now, free pose. Right leg on your left thigh. Yes. Both palm in front of you. Elbow in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, both arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down, leg down. Now left leg on your right. Balance yourself. You can take support from wall, chair as you can. Inhale, both palms together. Deep breathe in and out. Calm your mind. Focus on your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down, leg down. Relax. Now ready for Surya Namaskar. Okay, अपनी अपनी मैट के आगे आ जाएंगे. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale, back forward. Feet and palm in one line. Press your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back. Left leg 90 degree. Right leg back. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg on your toe. Knee up. Left leg back. High plank position. Heels up. Body forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Knee, chest and chin down. Feet straight. Leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Slide your body. Cobra pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feet on your toes. Hip up inverted V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, left leg on the floor, right leg forward. Yes, look up. Right leg should be 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg on your toe. Knee up, then leg fold and forward. Press your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Inhale, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend forward. Feet and palm in one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg on your toe, then right leg back. High plank position. Heels up, body forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Knee, feet, chest and chin down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide your body forward, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hip up inverted V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg on the floor, left leg forward. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg on your toe, then leg up and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Inhale, arch back. थोड़ा सा without counting करेंगे, थोड़ा fast. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Retain, left leg back. Exhale, heels up, knee, chest and chin touch. Inhale, slide your body forward, arch back. Inhale, hip up inverted V shape. Exhale, left leg on the floor, right leg forward. Look up. Exhale, left leg on your toe, then forward. Press your head down. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Retain, right leg back. Exhale, heels up, knee, chest and chin down. Inhale, arch back, cobra pose. Inhale, hip up, inverted V shape. Exhale, right leg down, left leg forward. Then right leg on your toe, forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Retain, left leg back. Exhale, heels up, knee, chest and chin touch. Ashtanga. Inhale, slide your body forward, arch back. Hip up, inverted V shape. Press your head down. Inhale, first left leg on the floor, right leg forward. Inhale, left leg up and forward. Inhale, deep inhale, arch back. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Retain, right leg back. Heels up, knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, slide your body forward. Then arch back, look up. Feet relaxed position. Now feet on your toe, hip up inverted V shape. Now right leg on the floor, left leg forward. Look up. Right leg on your toe, leg up, then forward. Press your head down. Catch your ankle. Elbows open. Try to touch your knee with your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, halfway up. Both palm on your knee. Halfway up. Exhale again down. Catch your ankle. Press your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, arms down, palms together. Now raise your arms in front of you. Both heels up. Knee bend. Slowly sitting on your heel. Balance yourself. Both knee together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hip down, lie down for final relaxation. Adjust your body. Transfer your body weight to the Mother Earth. You feel relaxed. You feel light. Between your feet, one feet gap. Toes falling down. Arms open, 45 degree. Palms upward. Fingers slightly curl. Eyes gently close. Focus on your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Listen each sound of your breath. Scan your body from the toe to the head. Your feet relax. Neck relax. Abdomen relax. Hip relax. Back relax. Shoulder relax. Arms relax. Palm and fingers relax. Neck relax. Face relax. Mind relax. Whole body relax. Each tissue, each cell, each muscles of your body relax. Inhale. Feel fresh air into your lungs. Your lungs expand. Stomach out. Feel fresh as you breathe out. Stomach in. All worries, all tension, all stress out of the body. Feel relaxed. Now try to focus on your third eye, between your eyebrow. See good things about you. It's time for relaxation. So enjoy this time. Feel the waves of relaxation. Now deep inhale and Omkar chanting one time. Inhale. Om. Slowly wipe your feet. Knees alternate up and down. Fingers open and close. Rotate your shoulder. Face left and right. Blink your eyes. Shake your body. Inhale, both feet together. Raise your arms up. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your body. Lower body, lower side. Upper body, upper side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, arms down. Turn your body left side. With right hand support, sit in a cross-leg position. If you can do Padmasana, half Padmasana as you wish. Spine straight, both arms together. Fingers widely open. Thumb in the middle of chest. Elbow is in one line. Spine is straight. Shoulder is straight. Face is straight. Eyes gently closed. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final prayer. Asito ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityo ma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms together. In your eyes. Take your eyes within. Roll your palm over your body, up to down, down to up. Take energy, bring your palm in front of your eyes, slowly open your eyes, see your palm. Inhale, both palms together, raise your arms up. Exhale, back forward. Thank you to all. Have a good day. So, अभी अपनी डायरेक्टर मैम और प्रिंसिपल मैम आप बच्चों से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? यस मैम, अनम्यूट कर दिया। हाँ मैम। यस मैम। आपका मैम स्पीकर मैम स्पीकर ऑन कीजिए। मैम स्पीकर हाँ हाँ।
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, dear children and dear teachers.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I convey my heartiest greetings to all of you on the happy occasion of 6th International Yoga Day. And this year, because of COVID-19, we are not celebrating it in the Vidyalaya and we all are doing yoga at home. But still we are united, we are connected. This is the beauty of yoga. Performance of each one of you, I just observed, it's wonderful. And you all deserve a big round of applause. So you may applause for yourself. My special thanks to Seema Madam And my special congratulations to her, who has left no stone unturned to make this event a memorable one, a successful one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, the word yoga has its root in Sanskrit. There is a word in Sanskrit, yuj, Y-U-J, which means to join, which means to unite. So what yoga does? The yoga unite our physical body with mind. So when our body and mind are united, when they are in the rhythm, then there is a calmness, there is a peace, and there is a stability. So that is the beauty of yoga. Yoga not only provide us strength and give us tone, but it also help in our mental well-being. We call pranayam. What are these pranayams? They are just the simple breathing exercises. So when we inhale deeply, what happens? The oxygen goes deep down into our tissues. More oxygen goes into the tissues, and the tissues, they get oxygenated, they release more energy. And when more energy is released from the body, then definitely that energy can be utilized to do more work. We can concentrate our mind. So yoga is little different from the physical exercise. So when we do the physical exercise, along with we also do the mental exercises, then definitely there is a rhythmicity between mind and the body. And as you have been doing it from years together now, you might have seen difference in yourself itself. And yoga, not only this, it improves our immunity. And increasing immunity has become all the more important these days because there is an epidemic of COVID-19. And since there is no medicine, since there is no vaccine, we are only left with developing the immunity. And this immunity can be developed if we perform yoga every day. So don't make yoga just for a day. Bring it in your life. Make it a part and parcel of your life. And let us have a pride in our ancient art and ancient science. So if you perform yoga every day, you will be away from all kind of things. So when we do yoga, the individual consciousness, it becomes tuned with the outer consciousness. We become tuned with the nature. So on this happy day, I just want to wish you a very, very happy yoga day. Wish you all a happy yoga day. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, our principal, ma'am, Awasthi, ma'am.
Respected Director Ma'am, in charge of the yoga session, Shrimati Yogini Seema Gupta Ma'am, staff members and very dear students, good morning to you all.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
good morning, ma'am.
I'm so happy to see all lovely faces after a long time of 3 months, and that too on such a very special day when we are having the 6th International Yoga Day celebration, and that too online. Dear children, from the last 3 months, you are inside your houses. You are getting so many things. Means everything is there as usual as it was before. But as you are unable to go out of the house, you are unable to play outside, you are unable to come to the school, you are missing your PT periods, you are missing your yoga exercises. At that time, the importance of yoga can be understood very, very clearly. As informed by ma'am, this yoga word is from the Sanskrit word use, and this has its own meaning, the addition. It means that it is not only the physical exercise, stretching, breathing, or any kind of twisting of our body. It is much more than that. This word use is having the meaning as addition. So this yoga means the addition of energy, addition of strength, and addition of beauty, not only to our body, it is to our mind as well as our soul. So physical fitness can be done by any kind of exercises, by going to gym or by even by yoga, but the mental exercises are only can be done by the yoga practices. And this has its immense applications and benefits. As a student for you, it is increasing your memory power, it is increasing your intelligence, it is increasing your concentration power. You will be more self-disciplined rather than the discipline created by the teacher or parents at home and school. You will be analyzing yourself, and after a long practice of this yoga regularly, you will be finding that you are self-disciplined, you are controlling your mind rather than the mind is controlling you. Dear students, sometimes we feel we want to do, but we are not able to do because of so many distractions around us. But after this yoga practice, our mental health is so strong, our mental power is so strong that whatever we want, we will be able to do it. That is the control of mind, and that makes you more disciplined. And I'm so happy and thankful to all my lovely kids that from last 2 weeks, if I am right, they are regularly doing practice. I was not unable to join you during the practice session, but I was watching you as my son is also a participant of this program. And the way, the enthusiasm you people have shown for doing this yoga session, that is highly appreciable. And that motivation cannot come on its own. And to inculcate this motivation in you, I am extremely thankful to the instructor, yoga instructor, and I have named her Yogini Seema Gupta ma'am. She herself is so motivated, and that power she has given you, and you all were so wonderful in performing this yoga exercises. I am thankful to all my staff members and director ma'am that in such early morning they all could join us, and no doubt we are at home, but we all are united. I hope in coming days when school will reopen, all our lovely kids will be having physical and mental fitness, and we are eagerly waiting for all the students and teachers to be there in the school, and we all will be enjoying that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. आपने डायरेक्टर मैम और प्रिंसिपल मैम ने स्टूडेंट्स को इतनी अच्छी बातें बताई रिलेटेड टू योगा कि आप अपने माइंड और बॉडी को कनेक्ट करें. ओके, ट्राई टू कनेक्ट योर बॉडी एंड माइंड टुगेदर. So, ma'am, thank you. I morning में join your session. और
Seema, if you permit,
it is the school program, in fact, Seema. It is definitely we have to come. We have to come.
बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैम.
In fact, Seema, I was not knowing that I will get this much of time. I thought it is a 40-minute session, and that's the reason I kept it very less. Otherwise, there are so many things which we can tell to the children, but sometime else. Okay.
Explain
I was not knowing it, in fact.
Seema, can I get 1 minute?
हाँ.
Students, just informing you that yoga sessions are not ending today. They will continue even after celebrating this yoga day, and detailed information will be given by Seema ma'am. So you be contact with her, and she will be putting messages about the same in the different groups. Thank you so much.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So once again, happy yoga day to all of you. So let us close the session with some prayer.
Yeah. जय भारत बोले. मैं नारे लगवा दीजिए स्कूल के।
My God. Yes, children.
Yes, children.
Seema, I'm not
हाँ,
remembering right now.
Oh God.
Yes. How will you keep yourself?
we should keep
What will you do?
Study hard.
What person will you be? You all are so low. How will you keep your school?
We keep our school neat and clean.
Okay. Anyway.
Bye.
Hello, bye to everybody.
Class 7 tomorrow 7:20. Okay, class 7. Tomorrow second
Wonderful.
aerobic session. है ना?
And Seema,
Yeah. हाँ मैम.
you were wonderful today in all respect.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Good.
Thank you.
Papa is also there. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
जिनके
Again, bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
के साथ है वो टीचर्स इस पर है, इसलिए आप हमारे साथ मनीषा झाला है और धनश्री है.
તમને કરવા તો કરે તમે કરશો ના તમારી તો હજુ ઉંમર નથી બધાની મમ્મીઓ કરે છે.
Bye.
તને પણ